Stop! I haven't started the vlog. We're at the crab shack. What's up guys, and welcome to windy Wellington. This is my vlog. So today I've been to the Lord of the Rings tour, which is really cool. It actually takes you to the location where it was actually shot, all the studios and digital creation kind of thing. So where they make the masks, where they make the costume. It was $100 for a half day, which we booked at the isite. Half-day tour and it's so windy. We're actually up, what's this called? Mount Victoria. That's where we are. Anyway, and we don't know shit about Lord of the Rings. Yeah, so we went to the site, we saw the actual location.
Have a shortcut to mushrooms. Take a photo of the tree and Photoshop yourself in later. So where we're going to go?
Went to a studio kind of thing where they also make like Marvel. They make the shields and like the special effects for Marvel, but once you go inside the studio you can't really take any videos or photos over there. They're currently shooting Avatar. The special effects, they're doing it in the studio that we went to today, which was really cool. We didn't get to see it, but we got to see some of the live costumes, the real Gollum from Lord of the Rings. One tip I would say when you're coming to Wellington is drink lots of coffee, try different cafes and try food. Also make sure you bring a jacket. This place is hella windy, man. Hella windy and noisy because the wind here is crazy. It can literally blow you away. Mind blown. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. Take it easy.